dear students. This is Manoj, your German trainer. I'm back with my another session of Insightful Deutsch and insight into German grammar. In my last videos, we have covered the session of vowels, the sound of vowels, diphthongs, and the consonants. We have covered these three topics. Today, we are going to talk about stress. Okay, so what are the stress? Stress is not the stress which we keep on our lives, rather than stress is something which we give to the words. Alright, so as a general rule, the first syllable of a German word bears the stress. The only first syllable. In these words, for example, uncommon, uncommon, Bruder, Bruder, Rathaus, Wörterbuch. Such these are the words where we give stress to the first syllable. Okay, the verbal prefixes be, emp, ent, er, ge, fer, ser. These are the verbs, these are the prefixes which will never be stressed. Never. They are going to pronounce simply, the whole word is going to be pronounced like Bezug. No stress anywhere. Bezug. Empfehlen. Entkommen. Erreichen. Gestehen. Verkauf. Celebration. So these are the prefixes which will never be stressed. Okay. But some additional verbal prefixes are also not stressed. Say, for example, here. Durchsuchen. Vollenden, widersprechen, while other prefixes are stressed. Here, anrufen, ausgehen, wiedersehen. So we see the stress is on the prefix part. Anrufen, ausgehen, wiedersehen. So it happens with the separable and inseparable verbs, which we are going to talk about in my coming videos. All right. So here many foreign loan words, usually of French origin, okay, they stress the final syllable as in the source language. Final syllables here in agent. The stress is on the T part and the final letter. Agent, accent, Bäckerei. If you could simply notice the sound of the last syllable, you'll be able to find out. Agent, accent, Bäckerei, kaputt, Partei, Pelikan, Philosoph, Planet, Satellite, student. I believe you were able to observe the final sound, final syllable. All right. So loan words ending in e, always e. They generally stress the second last syllable. Whatever letter is there before e, it's going to be the stress is going to be on these words. For example, here forel, forel, garage, garage, cassette, cassette, cuisine, cuisine. This is how we give stress to. Now there are other suffixes which generally carry the stress part. All right. Verb ending in ieren. All the verbs which ending in ieren, this ieren is always going to be stressed. For example, here buchstabieren, buchstabieren. The sound is the stress is going the ieren part. Buchstabieren, renovieren, studieren, buchstabieren. There are more verbs like kontrollieren, orientieren, studieren. Okay, this is how we give stress to. I hope you like the session. Please leave your comments if you do like the sessions. I'll be there with my coming videos on chapter number 2. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.